This is my workflow N10 about the MongoDB in Slack. So what it does when you switch the status, so you don't know when this. So if you make a trigger, it will send you a message on the Slack that the status of the application or any product has been changes. Example, I have a database. This is my database of N10, and there are different orders from different customers, and some are status pending and some are shipped or not. So basically when the status changes from here, it will this N10 workflow will get trigger and send me notice this the status, and the updated status is now pending. So I have run this already. This is a pending status. Let me show you. And for this you have tails, trigger type, database, and collection, cluster 0 or online, which is my collection, and type you can select if you want the trigger to be active on insert update. So in this part you have to give the trigger name. I have given the trigger 0 name. So let me show you how it is work. You can see that the customer status is pending. In my Python code, this one, that is the database N10 and the collection is trigger online. So the order ID is 10 status is pending, it's to completed, and the status is pending completed. Now I have to run the workflow. Workflow is running. Now I will execute it. Then see it successfully has been completed. I will show you. Yes, you can see that here order has fully completed. Now I will show the database here. The status has been changed from the pending to completed. You can see that here. This means that the lens sent from the workflow in send. Yes, you can see that before the status were pending and after the status it is completed. So in this way you can use that workflow.